me up another line. Fast, I could never be high class.
Oh, it's wiggling.
Go to dinner and get $100 Merlot, bezel, and a wine glass. Got a lot of demons that are jumping out of my path. Like, hey there, you don't go to hell, man, you're born to hell. And if you're sick in your heart, the fucking stay there. 2 cubes of ice and glen living in my glass. I'ma look at the game, I'm just in it for the cash. Even though I'm gonna die in the future, I gotta stop living in the past. All my enemies are past me.
Popping on the side there.
There we go.
Angel all on my shoulder. Taking drugs, it feels fake as fuck. I guess wake me up when it's over. Yo, my baby,
There it is.
me out the car last week. Tonight,
See it?
we met
Yeah.
at the bar,
Starting to break.
work things out with the minutes. We were fucking in my car backseat. I took a shot to the head in front of my bitch like John to the Kennedy. If I stay calm through the misery.
This part we have to watch it very carefully.
Like, fuck you, Your Honor. I made a pleasure, made a better, made a wider rhythm, alcoholism. You know I got it from my mama. I just hate everybody. You know I got it from my father. I'm just smoking on a bowl of mentions of marijuana. Trying to get us in a right away. So we can waiting for the weekend. Yeah, just thinking. Yeah, it's almost 5 p.m. Yeah, I better start drinking. Okay.
There it is.
Yay!
Fuck it, I'm getting twisted. Makes no difference. Makes no difference. Fuck it, I'm getting twisted. Makes
Come
no
on.
difference. Makes no difference.
Come on.
Fuck it, I'm getting twisted. I should probably die alone because I'm impossible to live. It makes no difference. Makes no difference. Fuck it,
Come on,
I'm
baby.
getting twisted. Makes no difference. Makes no difference. Fuck it, I'm getting twisted. Makes no difference. Makes no difference. Fuck it, I'm getting twisted. I should probably die alone because I'm impossible to live. Yeah, my name is David. But the people that know me in real life know not to call me that. They just call me Mac. And they know the 9 times out of 10 if they call them, I'll call them back. No stories, no excuses, no pretending I'm
Still
always
rising a
there.
little bit.
I don't give a fuck about your problem. I'm just living in my own head. I don't wanna overcomplicate shit. Use a knife wanna give that facelift. Did you buy through a bag for your bitch cause you wanna act rich and you
There
just
it
that
goes.
basic? Still make a rap beats in the basement. Red and blue pills in that matrix.
There it
You
is.
ever feel like life is confused? So remember, DMT will make the universe make sense. The night I impregnated my wife with my son, ate a bunch of pot edibles. 3 years old now, was I
It
was
is.
like fucking every picture that it takes is
That's the break.
incredible. It ain't no mystery, it's true. You take your imagination to a place that it never been to, and the born-ass world turns a little bit new, a little bit new. I am a believer in the universe of sorrow. I do wish that I could move away to Jupiter tomorrow just to get the fuck away from other people on the planet. Man, my thinking is romantic, it is deeper than Atlantis. Time to get to sit around and basically you're waiting for the weekend. Just thinking,
Yep, that's
it's
it.
almost 5 p.m.
Hey, Google.
Start drinking.